No, no. I have some cardboard and some wood.
All right.
No under
Of this old waterbed stuff.
Yep.
We can get 3 saved from 1990. That's about how old these are, aren't they? 1990. Fire.
Fire's still going.
It feels really good. That fan worked great.
Yeah.
There. It's a nice pile for our compost heap. So there's all the 2x3s we got out of that. Maybe 18 of them. 200 years old.
200-year-old shop.
Used to be a chicken coop. This used to be a chicken coop. Collected eggs in here.
This whole thing was full of rabbit.
Oh yeah, rabbits. I remember coming out and collecting the eggs. 8 feet, right?
Yeah. That'll have to be a square. I'll pick my square up.
That looks fairly square.
Yeah. You can just throw it on the other side. Second.
No, that's good.
How did I get that backward?
No, this one was under, remember?
Okay.
It's 3/4 under.
And then do this one the same way.
Why didn't we make that one the same? We got our base. We have at least 18 1x2s, right? Maybe 20. 2, 4, 6, 8.
This one's 6, 18, yeah. Then we have some short ones.
There might be 20 plus there. All right. So, after all that, about 30 minutes of work, we have some good stuff. Turn this around. Nice sawdust for the compost. And we got about 22 1x3s. If we didn't have 2x4s, actually they're 2x3s. They're 1.5 inches by 3. So we're gonna use those instead of 2x4s. Use 2x3s. That'll work great. And fun facts about this shop. Total disaster, it looks like, right? This shop, as we said, we estimate it's 1835. It's going on 200 years old. It's on its last leg. It's gonna come down this summer, actually, finally, and we're gonna build a new one. But you can see this used to be a chicken coop. When I was little, we would come in here and collect the eggs along that wall, raise the chickens in here. Then over the years, we turned it into the wood shop. So yeah. All right. It's a little bigger than we thought. That's 8 feet, and that one's 10. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, that's pretty good.